Welcome back to the Deep Dive, where we take the knowledge you provide and distill it into, well, actionable insight.
Glad to be here.
Today, we're diving into the world of music production software. We're comparing two huge digital audio workstations, the longtime studio standard, Pro Tools, and the powerful and much more affordable challenger, Reaper.
It's a classic technology battle, really.
It is. Okay, let's unpack this.
Yeah.
Our mission here is to figure out which software truly wins based on the efficiency, compatibility, and of course the cost data you all shared with us.
And what's fascinating is you've got this high-end professional standard on one side, and on the other, this modern, flexible disruptor.
Right.
The crucial insight for you is that the right tool really just depends on your environment. Are you in a massive commercial studio, or are you working from home?
Let's start with Pro Tools then. The incumbent.
The big one.
It's still dominant in those big professional spaces, and it seems to be because of, well, legacy. It's what most senior engineers already know.
And that standardization is absolutely key in that world. Pro Tools prioritizes system compatibility above everything else.
So everyone's on the same page.
Exactly. It means you can seamlessly exchange files between huge studios. But that control, it comes with some major drawbacks for, say, an independent user. For one, it's subscription only now.
Meaning you're paying every single year just to use it.
Every year. And beyond the cost, there's the plugin restriction.
Oh, right. It only uses one format, doesn't it?
It does, and that means you are often locked out of using really popular, often cheaper third-party tools. It severely limits your creative palette unless you pay premium prices.
And this is probably why the specs you sent in for Reaper are so compelling. Here's where it gets really interesting.
Yeah, the contrast is stark.
The financial advantage is just huge. Reaper costs, what, around $60?
Around $60 as a one-time purchase, no subscription.
And technically, it's incredibly efficient. A super small download, fast install, and it runs smoothly even on just a regular laptop.
People run enormous projects on it without any performance hit. But I'd say its biggest selling point is just the extreme customization.
So you can make it look and feel how you want it to.
Pretty much anything. The layout, the buttons, the colors. I mean, if Pro Tools is like buying a perfect official wrench for one specific bolt.
And only that bolt.
Right. Reaper is like being given all the raw materials to build your own custom tool from the ground up.
Is there a catch?
The only real caveat is that the default interface is a bit bare bones. You have to tweak it. But once you personalize it, it feels incredibly solid.
So synthesizing this, we really do see two very distinct use cases. Pro Tools is still kind of the necessary choice for major studios.
It is, purely because of those legacy needs and workflow standardization.
But for home creators, indie producers, small studios.
For them, Reaper just offers so much more flexibility for a fraction of the cost. It really supports this trend we're seeing in music towards software that's more affordable and more open.
So what does this all mean? The data tells us the choice isn't about which one is definitively better, but which is best for your specific scale, your budget.
Exactly.
If you're not tied to that legacy studio system, the performance and cost data seem to point pretty clearly to the newcomer.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, this tension between the proven expensive standard and the high-performing, inexpensive newcomer, it's reshaping creative industries way beyond just audio.
That'd be a great point.
It leaves you with a really big question, I think. Is legacy compatibility worth paying a permanent subscription for, or will customization and cost eventually win every time?